Morning students, I am Uday Kumar. So let us learn the proof of the Pythagoras theorem by an activity. So first, before going to learn, let us state the Pythagoras theorem. The square of the, in a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is nothing but the triangle where the one angle is 90 degrees, which contains the 90 degrees is called the right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but the side which is opposite to the 90 degrees is called here 90 degrees, opposite 90 degrees is hypotenuse. Square of this one is equals to sum of the squares of these two sides. That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And you need to remember that the difference between these two. AC is nothing but length of the line segment and AC bar is nothing but name of the line segment. And to see here, we need to use this. Observe that here. Let us. We have taken this activity here. So now if we use this one, we can prove that it is very clearly. We can prove the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. And observe very clearly here. Okay. So if you are observing very clearly, yes, now it is visible to you, I think. So now here this is a right angle triangle. Here it is 90 degrees. Okay. Here it is 90 degrees. And this is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So square of this one. Square of this one is nothing but we can develop a square on the side. So if you develop the square on this side, then if you see properly, clearly, here square is developed. This square area will be equals to the square of this one. Means this square of this side is nothing but area of this square. Area of this square. So to prove these squares are equal, we can see here. You see the yellow part here. This yellow area will be equals to this yellow area, and this pink area will be equals to this pink area. So now to prove that whether these areas are equal, what we can do? Now let us take the yellow part. These pieces I am removing here from here. See here, it is replaced here, and this is replaced here, and here I have removed this one. And if we able to fill these part here, you can say that the yellow part area will be equal to this part area. So now let us see here. Let us take out these pieces from here, and we will replace it here. And this piece can be placed here very clearly. And this piece can be replaced here very clearly, and this piece can be placed here very clearly. Now you can say that this part area is equal to this one. In the same way, let us remove these squares also. These square parts, the parts means pieces. Let us remove and keep it aside. So now I have removed these parts. Now you can replace these by these pieces. If you are replacing these pieces, then you can. Now let us see here. Here you can replace, and here see here. This part can be placed here. Yes, here, and this place can be placed here, and this place can be placed here. Now see here. This part is exactly filled. That means you can say that the area of this part will be equal to the sum of the areas of these two parts. That means area is nothing but side square. This is a one side. So side square is equals to the side square. This side square plus this side square. Okay. Thank you.